So then guys, I want to go back to CES today to go and see some of the coolest products out there. It is bright, it is early, and it's going to be another great day. So let's get out there and let's see what we can find. So guys, I'm here at 1X Player, and this is something I've been looking forward to getting my hands on. This is the new Apex device. Now I've got an F1 Pro at home, I've done a review on that one. But this one I'm super excited about, mainly because of the detachable battery on this. There's one thing about handhelds is that obviously battery life is not always the best, but obviously if you've got a detachable battery, you can just swap them out. So you can charge one up, use one at the same time, and then you can still obviously be wireless and free. Obviously this is plugged in at the moment, but yeah, it's still really, really amazing. We have again got the Rokid AI Max Plus 395 chip in here. And you can see how great this is. This is Cyberpunk 2077. You can see that it's doing super well here. The details are super crisp here as I'm going into bushes and things like that. But the other cool thing what I love about this is that if it gets too warm in your hand, the other thing that Apex are also promising is that also it's eventually going to get water cooling on this too. We also do have a massive big screen here, 8-inch screen. We've also got ports here, we've got USB-C, we've also got micro SD, mini SD up here, we've also got other ports up here, we've got another USB 4 port, USB 3.2 port, all your usual kind of buttons, shortcut buttons, and then one of my favorites is that you can even twist this here and change your triggers not to be as, tight as you want them. You can actually have them the way you want them to be. So it's absolutely fantastic, and yeah, this is now available on a quick Kickstarter right now, but it is coming out super soon. I can't wait for one to get my hands on it. But next of all guys, I've stumbled across Rokid here, and I'm testing out here the brand new Rokid AI glasses style. These are absolutely awesome. Now the cool thing about these glasses is that they only weigh 38.5 grams, so they are super light. They're super comfortable to wear all day. They're like wearing like normal sunglasses here, but of course they're not just normal sunglasses. Oh no, they can do so much more. Now, something what makes these glasses very unique is the endless lens options you get with them, and they're actually affordable here. You can actually choose from various interchangeable lenses here at CES. You've got tinted, you've got photochromic, prescription, blue light, UV, AR coating here, and pricing only starts at the launch here for $299 US. But this is a fantastic deal for these glasses. Well, the cool thing is that these glasses, they're better than that. They also have open AI ecosystem in this. They have ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Quen inside of it, and in fact you can also translate up to 89 different languages with these glasses. Definitely something what you need, something like here at CES, to break down those language boundaries. So these are really awesome. But not only this, these glasses have also got small cameras on them here too, and they've got object recognition, so you can ask your favorite LLM out there about something what you are looking at. This is really, really cool to use. But not only this, you also get the likes of voice notes, navigation, notification, and even dictation as well. All thanks to the 12 megapixel cameras here that are built into these actual glasses, the style glasses. What is absolutely amazing. Have a look at a sample here. You can see how great this looks. We've got different kind of lights here at CES, and even with this, it still feels really amazing. And overall, I would say these glasses are definitely one of the most practical ones I have ever tried out. And I'm going to say definitely, these are definitely, I'd say, one of my top 3 devices that I've tested out here in CES. And if you want to check out these glasses, well, make sure you check out the description below, because I have all the different details for these Rokid AI glasses style. So I'm at MSI next of all, and they've got some really impressive new laptops. I'm going to say this has got the new Prestige 16 AI, and we've also got the 14 AI. But just have a look here at the 16 AI. This is really, really good. Now, one of the reasons why I do like it is because it does actually have the new Intel Core Ultra X9 388H. Now, obviously, I know a lot of you guys are going to say the new chip, obviously, it's only slightly faster than the last processor, but the last generation, but the big change is all to do with battery life and how much power it absorbs. A bit like how Apple uses it with their M chips, the amount of efficiency it is. This 16-inch model that you see right here can get up to 24 hours of battery life. What's incredible, and it is really, really great to actually have a look at. Obviously, you've got a full OLED display here. It's also touch screen on this one. Maybe the one next to it is better with me. Someone might have disabled it there, but there we go. You can see now. There we go. And it is super, super impressive for what we actually have with this one. Now, we've got a full 2.8K display on this. What is definitely really, really something that was good to actually have. And also, it's quite light as well. It's not actually that heavy. This is actually lighter than a MacBook Air 15-inch. Yet this is a 16-inch with an OLED display. And also, the battery life is actually better than a MacBook Air. So this is really, really impressive to actually see. But they also do a 14-inch version as well, and this is really, really great. The great thing about the 14-inch, this is what's going to blow your mind here, is actually that you actually get a 30-hour battery life with this. Was absolutely incredible. And then the cool thing about it only weighs 1,100 grams, so 1.1 kilograms for this design, and it is super slim. If I just show you guys here, look at that for how thin it is. You do get 2 full USB ports on this. You also get Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 of them there. You get HDMI, but that is really thin. Let's just show you my finger there next to it. That is how thin it really is. It's really, really impressive. But then they also have their 13-inch Prestige one here. Now, this model came out last year. The big difference is, though, is that they've actually made this lighter than what they had last year. This one now only weighs, wait for it, just 899 grams. It is so light. This is lighter, like I said, this is 900 grams essentially. But I have never known such a light laptop, 13-inch. Great material again, and again, it's also got the latest and greatest chip inside of it. It's got the Ultra 386H inside it. But the battery life, because it's slightly smaller than that 14-inch, it does only have a 20-hour battery life. But still, that is super impressive. That is still more than a MacBook Air, and yet, you know, 13.3-inch, and yet you're getting a great battery life with this too. So then, guys, the next booth I've stopped at is BMX, and this is pretty cool. These have solid state batteries in quite a lot of their devices here. We have power banks that are solid state, so this basically means they are thinner and also super fast at charging. Now, the reason why I love these ones is that you've also got your standard kind of 5,000 milliamp right here, but what you also got is a screen, LCD screen, LED screen. What you've actually got on the back here tells you how much wattage is going out. What's really, really cool, that's at 35% there, tells you the percentage too. MagSafe compatible, obviously. You also get a USB-C cable here in kind of like the keychain bit too. But what makes this more unique, what I love about this, is that, you know, when you have one power bank and then you lose it or something like this, well, this is where BMX have changed things. They actually have like a docking station right here, and obviously they do different sizes. So you've got a the magnets onto that, so you can actually plug that in there to actually charge up, what is really, really cool. But not only this though, there's also one that's also for their 10,000 watt one too. So obviously if you get the thicker one, like this one I've got right here, that will also charge in there, but you also get extra USB-C port on that too. It's really, really cool to share that out and about. So these are really, really nice, and they're really, really cool. These are made out of a really lovely aluminum as well, matching colors for the latest iPhone. So this is really, really awesome. And then finally, what BMX are doing, they're doing their new bite size. These are really, really cool. Now, these are external storages. Now, obviously, I know you guys have probably seen external storages before, but what makes these a bit more unique is that with these external storages, they've actually got Find Me built into them. So this is pretty cool. You can actually go up to 2 terabytes with this. What's absolutely awesome. You've also got finger security. It's probably better to show it on the picture there, so you can actually authenticate yourself on there. What is really, really awesome. But then not only this, they've actually created an app for Android and for iPhone where you can actually back up all of your photos. And the reason why I think this is so cool is because obviously that a lot of people back up their photos, might lose it, but if you've got the Find Me ability built into this, this is going to help you that if you ever do lose your storage, then obviously, yeah, you'll be able to find it down your couch or things like that. And they've even got a little safe carrying case as well, so you can just carry this along with you. So if you do go on that big family vacation and you take a lot of photos and your phone just can't handle all that storage, then yeah, this is great that you can just back it all up, have it already on this, and then yeah, you can continue doing even more backups all the time, and then obviously free up storage on your phone. It's a lovely small idea. It's great to actually have something like this. But yeah, BMX are bringing out loads of these new products over the next couple of months, and yeah, I'm hoping to showcase quite a few of them on the channel. But yeah, they are really, really impressive. So, what an awesome day it was today. I absolutely loved those Rokid AI style glasses. I'm really looking forward to them to come out. And remember, like I said, I put the details down in the description for those because they are definitely worth checking out. I'm also, as you know, a big fan of laptops and mini PCs and handhelds. So that 1X player, what I showed right at the beginning as well, is something I am super excited to get my hands on, especially with that interchangeable battery. But like I said there, I've still got loads more content for CES coming out very soon. So yeah, if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, because even more great content and even more great stuff from CES is coming. And on that note as well, guys, I am super tired now. It's dark outside and I'm very sleepy. So yeah, please, if you have enjoyed watching the video, press the like button. And until next time, guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.